guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. As you guys know, I like to be outdoors in the sun. It's very tranquil to be in your backyard. If you have a garden or a backyard that has a lot of really cool architecture, or if you have some kind of a koi pond or something, it's always super soothing to see water flowing. Or if you have a pond or a little lake in your backyard, that's why real estate near water is always a lot more expensive. It's good for the mind and the body and just the mental health of being near water and hearing the sound of water. So a lot of people who don't live near lakes or ponds or something like that, they can make their own pond in their backyard to have the flowing stream of water and lighten your aesthetics of your garden and make it more tranquil. Well, I don't have a garden or a pond, but I do have a solar powered fountain. Here's another solar powered fountain from my friends over at POPOSOAP. I love the name. Every time I say POPOSOAP, I feel like taking a bath. User manual, hoses, spike, mount, nozzles for the spray. Here's the low profile slim pump. With the filter. And here's your solar panel. Everything's going solar these days, so you don't use up your electricity. Use up power for free from the sun. I'm going to put this all together real quick and show you how it works. Okay, as you can see, I just put these attachments on just to raise it to the level that I want. This pump over here has little suction cups on the bottom. It's submerged into whatever bottom of the lake that you have or a pond, and then you connect it to the solar panel. You can mount the solar panel with the spike. This can go in like that, and you can put it into the ground, and it simply connects to this sliding rail here. Just like that. As you can see, I have my solar panel over there, and I believe it has to be submerged in water for it to work. Let's put this in here. Isn't that great? This will just keep running as long as the sun's powering the solar panels. When it gets dark, it'll stop by itself. And in the morning, when the sun comes back up again, you're gonna have your fountain automatically on. The tranquil sound of water falling, the aesthetics of seeing water in the air, makes for your delightful garden. It comes with this hose in case you have built some kind of a rock structure, where you can route the water on the bottom all the way to the top of the rock structure, and the water will slowly trickle down like a waterfall. So you can use what they have over here, or you can also build your own waterfall. It's very cool from POPOSOAP. Super easy to install. All you need is a water source and a flat base so that the pump can sit there. And completely powered for free by the sun. I'm a big believer in solar panels because why not get free energy if you can? I have solar panels everywhere, even my house. So if you'd like an inexpensive way to create your own waterfall or fountain, go get the POPOSOAP solar powered water fountain. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
We'll see you next time on Mowers and Blowers.